WPA cracking. What is that? Wi-Fi protected access WPA is a security standard for computer devices equipped with wireless internet connections. Hello. My name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. and if you're new here, I do cyber related videos. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the content. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Today we're going to talk about WPA cracking. Stay tuned, it's going to be good. Let's get right into it. WPA cracking. What is that? I'm gonna get right into it right now. According to techtarget.com, Wi-Fi protected access WPA is a security standard for computer devices equipped with wireless internet connections. WPA was developed by the Wi-Fi Alliance to provide more sophisticated data encryption and better user authentication than wired equivalent privacy, WEP. The original Wi-Fi security standard, WEP was the original Wi-Fi security standard. So WPA was initially released in 2003. The Wi-Fi Alliance defined WPA as a response to serious weaknesses found in the WEP protocol. A more secure version, WPA2, was released in 2004. In 2018, the Wi-Fi Alliance announced the release of WPA's third and current version, WPA3. A skilled individual can crack the WPA key in 12 to 15 minutes. So, wireless hacking tools you can play with to better understand how WPA cracking works is Kali Linux Net Hunter, or AJAK, or Wireshark, and Wi-Fi Fisher. According to hacking9.org, here is a mock process to cracking WPA/WPA2 Wi-Fi routers with aircrack-ng. You will need a command prompt, and you will also need to be familiar with coding in the command prompt. For those of you who do not know how to access your command prompt, you can by typing in CMD in your search bar if you are using Windows, or by pressing the command button and the space bar and then typing in the word terminal if you're using Mac. So here is a mock way to go through the process of a WPA cracking attack. So in the command prompt, type airmon the line ng, which will list the wireless interface. Number 2, if we assume WLAN 0 is the wireless interface name, we would type airmon line ng start WLAN 0 and run iwconfig, which will allow you to see a new monitor interface listed, which is likely MON 0 or WLAN 0 MON. Next, find your target by typing air o dump line ng MON 0. 4, capture a 4-way handshake. So WPA/WPA2 uses a 4 handshake to authenticate devices to the network. You don't have to know anything about what that means, but you do have to capture one of those handshakes in order to crack the network password. These handshakes occur whenever a device connects to the network. For instance, when your neighbor returns home from work. We capture this handshake by directing airmon line ng to monitor traffic on the target network using the channel and BSSID values discovered from the previous command. Now we wait. Once you captured a handshake, you should see something like WPA handshake BC D3 C9, numbers and letters in a 2-digit length sequence at the top right of the screen, just right of the current time. If you are feeling impatient and you are comfortable using an active attack, you can force devices connected to the target network to reconnect, and sending malicious deauthentication packets at them. Number 5, crack the network password. The final step is to crack the password using the captured handshake. If you have access to a GPU, I highly recommend using Hashcat for password cracking. There has been a simple tool created that makes Hashcat super easy to use called Naive Hashcat. Number 6, keep in mind this method assumes a weak user generated password. Most WPA, WPA2 routers come with strong 12-character random passwords that many users rightly leave unchanged. If you are attempting to crack one of these passwords, I recommend using probable wordless DPA length dictionary files. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button right below the video and subscribe by clicking the big red button right below the video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then you'll probably enjoy these videos that's on the screen right now. So if you click on the screen right now, you can watch those. Do you have a cyber attack related topic you want me to cover? Write it in the comment section below. Also, click the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when I upload new videos. Lastly, please feel free to watch other videos on this channel. You don't know how to subscribe? I'm looking right at you. I have a dark navy blue shirt. I'm smiling. Click on my face. Stay safe, Hack Pack. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.